Sorry, these are the 3 tops. I'm going to try them on. Really cute. I like the color. Can you see the details? I know, like lying Linus, I am not. It's for you people to know that I rate you. Oh, I can't help you. I can't help. Crazy old, all those old perfumes that gives you headache. It's not this. I already know what I was doing when I got this perfume because this is my baby. Hi. So hi bubbles. Welcome to a new vlog. We're in high spirits and we have full beats because I'm getting back to my groove. In the last video, which I just ended like a few hours ago, I'm done editing it and I've uploaded. And I'm not asking, who is she? It feels so good to accomplish every task you set for the day. I wanted to shoot 3 reels and 2 YouTube videos. And I'm done shooting. I've edited the 3 reels. I've edited 1 YouTube video. And I'm like, girl, who are you? You are in your Zoom. You are in your Zoom. So because of the high spirits, I decided to start up a vlog. I know, like, I'm challenging myself. You can do more. So I'm starting up a vlog now. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but you guys are just going to follow me and figure out what today is all about. The plans that I had for today was for content, but I'm done. And this is like 12 or 1, I think 1 or 2. I think this is 1 or 2. I've been up since 6 and I'm done shooting content. The main reason I have my full face beats, although this makeup is not really my type of makeup, like it's not really makeuping. It's not really so great, but it was used for its purpose and it still came out nice. So I'm glad I didn't let that stop me. So I'm starting up this vlog now. Welcome. If you're new here, my name is Victoria. Welcome, bubbles. Stay tuned and join the family. Join the family. Subscribe. We went to the market and I got some items. I got 2 bags, a perfume and some tops. Once I said I must unbox it in front of my bubbles, so let's just get straight into the unboxing. So first thing on this is the tops that I got. Let me just clip this thing here so I can be able to do this unboxing right. So first thing on this is the top. I got like 3 tops. Sorry, these are the 3 tops. I'm going to try them on. Okay, so this is the top. It's cute. It's really cute. I like the color. I think what drew me to the clothes is the material. It's like a sweater-like material, and it's giving. It's giving. Now this top is definitely a steal. Like, first of all, like, can you see the details? I know, like, I don't know if this camera is doing a lot of justice. The detailing is insane. Can you guys see? Even the buttons are like bow tie, cute little bow ties. I have been recording since and been holding this mic. And I forgot to disconnect my Bluetooth from my speaker. I was listening to music before I decided to do this unbox. I forgot that I've been recording. I'm just so happy that I still have some items to go through because I would have been heartbroken. That's the essence of using a mic. Back to the clothes. So, as you can see, the buttons are just so beautiful. It's not even it's like a clip. I don't know what they call this thing, but you guys will know. I don't know. It's so pretty. Like the bow tie, when I saw it, I was like, nah, this is beautiful. So we are done with the tops. The next one is the bag. The first bag is this. I needed like a black, needed a black staple bag that I can wear anywhere. It's so freaking beautiful. Ah, and the fact that it has space to put in more things. The most beautiful thing about this bag, okay, not like the most. I love two things about the bag. First is this, the lock. I love the lock. I love the lock. Like it gives me this extra security. Then the next thing is it has this cute little purse. Is this what they call it? A big clutch? What's this size called? Is it a purse or a clutch? Anyone? It has this cute little purse clutch. I'm like, if you're wearing a simple Ghana, you don't want to carry it. They just stuff in small money and your ATM and you're good to go. I like it, like it, like it. So that's it for this bag. Let's now go to my favorite bag. This is beautiful, but I have a favorite. I know! It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Hmm. When I saw the black color and I was like, "Ah, maybe see, let me see." Then I saw this pink. My god, I couldn't stop looking. It was love at first sight, to be honest. There's nothing else fancy about this bag, to be very honest. It's just the Serere in front, though. It has finished. Then, the per usual, the things that like the stuff into bags to make it have shape and form. Yeah, basically it just have a strap. They want yourself. So it just has a strap, then papers to like stuff into the bag. Yeah, yeah. I really, really love this bag. I really, really love it. This bag gives me so much joy. I think I'm a bag person. I'm not. Now, the star of the show, this perfume. This perfume. I've gotten it for like I think a week now. It's close to a week now since I bought this perfume. I used to show you how I said, Linus, I am not unboxing this perfume without showing it to my bubbles first. So it's for you people to know that I rate you. Oh my god! I'm unboxing it. Oh, this is my baby. What is my perfume? Oh my god. I don't even know anything about unboxing perfume. I'm sorry. The fragrance is silage. Basically, I think this is the only silver one that they have. They have black, gold, rainbow, transparent, and silver. Now, there is no classy or crazy thing about the packaging. But you see this bottling. The bottling is insane. Baby, take a look at it. Are you seeing? Oh. I'm going to do a scent test for you guys. I already know what this smells like, but I'm not good with describing perfumes. I don't know perfumes notes, but I'm going to try my best. I can even perceive it from here without even taking it close, but I'm just letting it settle in. Oh my god, this is my baby. This is my baby. In case you hear my baby, is this perfume that I'm talking about? Cause this is my child. This is my perfume. Oh no, this is my baby. Oh my god. I can't describe. I don't know how to describe perfumes, but it has like a little bit of sweet note in it. Oh my god, it has a sweet note in it. I think, let me see if they described it here. Maybe it will help both of us. Oh, I can't help you. They didn't write it. But, oh my god. This perfume lasts. Oh my god, this is beautiful. this is beautiful. Oh, and actually just, oh, it's made in France. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. It's really so pretty. Oh my god, this is really nice. I'm so sorry, but it's so pretty. Oh, my baby. My baby. Oh my god. This is my baby. This is so beautiful. And for a perfume to have this longevity, I just recently found out that it has an oil. And I'm like, I don't even want to know how crazy the oil is going to be. Like, this is like a beast mode. Yes, this is like a beast mode perfume. It's not, I don't think it's feminine. It's not feminine, and it's not masculine as well. It's a mix. It has a mix. A guy can wear it and a lady can wear it. Like, if you don't like fruity floral perfume, this is your guy. If you don't like fruity floral and you don't like oud like that, this is your baby. This is your baby. But if you like floral fruity, this is not it. No, look away. This is not it. If you like crazy oud, all those oud perfumes that give you headache, it's not this. It's not this. There's this subtle scent that lingers. It has this rich, anti-rich lady, someone that knows what she's doing. I really know what I was doing when I got this perfume, because this is my baby. This is my baby. Oh, it's so cute. So that is that. Then we're done. Oh my god, this is going to be my last vlog before vlogmas. I already have one video that I'm done editing, then this particular video, then vlogmas kicks in. December is next week Friday. I'm excited about vlogmas, then I am as well scared about vlogmas because I'm not used to videoing every day of my life. Most of my vlogs are like compilation of 2 weeks for one vlog. So, but I'm really excited because it's something I want to challenge myself to do and just see how it goes. I've been seeing vlogmas over the years and I've been wanting to do it. So I'm definitely doing vlogmas this year. I'm excited. So this is going to be the last video before vlogmas. So see you guys in vlogmas. I'm going to be very consistent. But if you are looking for me, you will find me in YouTube Shorts. Of course, I'm going to be dropping a lot of transition videos, a lot of fashion videos. Hi. Oh, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share to your friends, to your enemies, to your family members. Bye, Bubble.